Welcome. You are making progress. Your confidence is growing with every practice. Take a deep breath. And let's focus on learning together. Repeat after me. How was your day? How do you feel today? Would you like to talk about it? Take it slow. You're doing great. What are your plans for the weekend? Is there anything I can do to help? You are making progress. Every word brings you closer to fluency. Repeat after me. It's nice to meet you. Where are you from? How do you like to spend your free time? You are learning, and that's enough. How long have you lived here? Do you enjoy living in your neighborhood? Your confidence is growing with every practice. What do you like to do on weekends? What's your favorite kind of food? Take it slow. You're doing great. Repeat after me. Could you help me with this? Can I ask you a question? Do you have a minute to talk? Relax your mind. What do you recommend? I could use your help with something, please. Can you show me how to do that? Take a deep breath. You're doing well. How was your day? How's your day been so far? Did anything exciting happen today? Relax your mind. How do you feel today? are you feeling right now? Your confidence is growing with every practice. Did you have a busy day at work? Would you like to talk about it? Do you want to share what's on your mind? You are learning, and that's enough. Is there anything you like to discuss? Relax your mind. What are your plans for the weekend? Do you have anything planned for the weekend? How do you usually relax in your spare time? You are making progress. Every word brings you closer to fluency. Is there anything I can do to help? Can I support you with something? Take it slow. You're doing great. Repeat after me. Could you help me with this? Can I get your advice on something? I would like to speak with you about something, please. Take a deep breath. You're doing great. Do you have time to assist me? I could use your help with something, please. Can I ask you a question? Do you mind if I ask for your opinion? Your confidence is growing with every practice. Could you clarify something for me? Do you have a minute to talk? Is now a good time to chat? Can we talk later if you're busy now? Relax your mind. Is now a good time to chat? Can we talk later if you're busy now? Relax your mind. If you're busy now, can we talk later? What do you recommend? What's your advice for this situation? Take a deep breath. You're doing great. Can you show me how to do that? Can you guide me through this process? How do you usually handle this? You are learning, and that's enough. Repeat after me. You did a great job. I really like how you handled that. That looks amazing. You are making progress. Every word brings you closer to fluency. Thank you. I appreciate your help. You did a great job. That was impressive. Your confidence is growing with every practice. You really handled that well. I really like how you handled that. You managed that situation perfectly. Take a deep breath. You're doing great. Your approach was very thoughtful. That looks amazing. I love how that turned out. Take a deep breath. You're doing well. You've got a real talent for this. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Your support means a lot. Your confidence is growing with every practice. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Your support means a lot. I couldn't have done it without you. Your English is improving every day. Repeat after me. Was, your. Practice the w sound in was and your by rounding your lips gently. How was your day? Take a deep breath. You're doing great. Focus on the E sound in feel by stretching it out for clear pronunciation. Repeat after me. Feel. How do you feel today? You are learning, and that's enough. Notice the T sounds in about it. Try tapping your tongue softly to keep it light. Repeat after me. About it. Would you like to talk about it? Relax your mind. Practice the T sound in meet. A gentle tap will make it sound natural. Repeat after me. It's nice to meet you. Focus on the V sound in this by letting your tongue come slightly between your teeth. Repeat after me. Could you help me with this? Notice the J sound in job. It's soft, like in just. Repeat after me. You did a great job. You are making progress. Every word brings you closer to fluency. In food, stretch the oo sound like moon to make it clear. Repeat after me. What's your favorite kind of food? Your confidence is growing with every practice. Thank you for taking the time to practice today. You are learning, and that's all that matters.